Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today on Minebuster. As you can see here, they've put those giant river rocks, landscaping rocks that were over in the parking lot that we assumed were going to be for Alpenfury's dip into the mountain from the first booster launch. They're actually to line the side of Minebuster to aid in land erosion, with the coaster coming so close to the ground after the drop. They're going to have to put stones there to almost prevent dirt and the ground around it from eroding and going towards the ride. So it's aiding almost in like land protection is the best way to look at it. Outside of that, it has been pretty slow in terms of construction on Minebuster due to the weather, but I don't think we've had an update on Minebuster in over a week. Maybe, I think there hasn't been over a week. So this might be a shock to a lot of people. So there has been a rebar shipment. It has been there for about 3 weeks. I have not seen it get used on Minebuster quite yet. I have a feeling that that's going to be for the drop. In terms of creating more footings for restructuring and further support, but we'll have to wait and see. Outside of that, the Gravity Group pre-cut track has been installed for a good 70% of the retracked area, maybe 60%. I don't know if you want to get really technical, but they're well under their way in terms of getting this ride complete. Again, I couldn't be more ecstatic for next year's off season as they do the better portion of the ride. But I'm really excited for the airtime hills and to see the shaping of Minebuster's new drop. So there's a lot going on in the park. If you are not a Patreon, there's a lot more outside of Minebuster and Alpenfury going on. So it's great to see the park get all these major investments. So I'm really excited to see what they do with Minebuster over the next couple of years. But yeah, this is as far as they've gotten with the pre-cut track. No actual metal has gone on to, steel gone onto Minebuster quite yet. So that will come after they get all the pre-cut track installed. But yeah, there has been a lot of work going on right here heading back up. So a lot more work than I would have expected. It's been taking them a really long time to kind of build that section. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but we'll have to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching our update on Minebuster, and have a good one. Stay tuned for the podcast tonight at 8 p.m. Bye.